Welcome back, guys. Today we're making my delicious sausage recipe, but first I got a great giveaway for you. We're celebrating 7,000 subscribers, so I got 7 brands that are giving gifts just for you. So you're getting a $25 gift card, a cute t-shirt from Big Easy Bucha, dog snacks from Wild Earth, 2 free coupons for Bob Red Mill, 2 free coupons for Follow Your Heart, digestive enzymes, and also sweet orange pure essential oil. You'll get 2 free coupons for plant-based yogurt by Lava, and also 2 vitamin water packs. All the details on how to enter will be in the description box below, and without further ado, let's get into the recipe. So here are all the ingredients I'm going to be using for these delicious sausages. You have your wet ingredients, your dry ingredients, and you'll see how it's going to come together so delicious and nicely. Once you have your sausages formed, you're going to be wrapping them in aluminum foil, so make sure you have some of that on hand. And as you can see here, I have all of my dry ingredients ready. I'm going to go ahead and mix that up, and then once that's mixed up together, I'm going to start adding all of my wet ingredients. So now you want to give that a good stir, and then go ahead and get your hands in there and make sure everything is well combined. Once everything's well combined, you can go ahead and knead a little bit, and then you're going to start forming your sausages. So as you can see here, I have some sauteed veggies, I have some peppers and onions. This is going to give it a really nice flavor, and also it's going to give it a beautiful design as you slice your sausages. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting that in the middle and incorporating that into my sausages. So go ahead and do that for all of them, and then start to form the little logs. They look like sausages when you make them into logs and you press them down and roll them out. And then once you get them to look like that, you're going to go ahead and take your aluminum foil and you're going to start rolling them in your aluminum foil. So don't worry if they don't look quite like sausages yet, a little bit lumpy, because you're going to smooth them out when you roll them into this foil. Then what you want to do is take a pair of scissors and cut off any excess. After you cut off the excess foil, you're going to twist the sides of your sausages. And then take your scissors and trim off any excess that you have on the sides as well, so that they can all fit nicely in your steamer. So for a steamer, what I'm using is my strainer. I'm just going to put it on top of a pot with water. Make sure your pot is filled about 1/4 if you're using the size that I'm using, 1/4 of water. Go ahead and put it on medium high, get it to a nice boil, and then put your sausages in there, put some foil on top, and you're going to have the steam just continuously go through your sausages for about 45 minutes. I'm also using field roast sausages today because I want to do a comparison and see how they look side by side. So my sausages are the ones that are redder in color. They have the tomato sauce in there that gave it a really nice taste. And the field roast is on the other side. They're the browner ones. But as you can see, they look very close, very similar, because they have the onions and peppers on the inside. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Good luck on the giveaway. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.